Welcome! In this video we are going to continue our Zabbix journey. As you can see, it's morning when I'm recording this video. So, what I would like to do, or show you how to do, is basically how you can configure on a given host the web service. So we will use our Windows machine. And for this to work, what we have to do is to install a web server. Microsoft has the Internet Information Services, and we will add this role to the machine. So if you open up the server manager and click on roles and features, hold on, it's still booting. So, yeah, and click on next, you will find the web server IIS. If you click here, you can leave everything on the default. Then next, install, and it will take some time to complete, but after completion we have to configure a little bit our web server and verify that it is working. And it's pretty easy to add web service monitoring, and what's nice about Zabbix is that you can even simulate like login to a specific web page. So basically what we would like to do is the following. Wait for it to complete. And it's the virtual machine is hustling. So yeah, if everything goes well, we should find the IIS under the start menu. Great. So IIS, and open it. If you expand this one and the default website, you have the option to browse the port 80, which select Edge, and as you can see the page loads. However, what we would like to do is to go to the bindings menu point, and here click on edit. And I would like to use my main IP address here. So let's click OK, close, and restart. Now we would like to verify it. So as you can see, the URL has changed. I'm going to copy this and go back to our Zabbix web interface. So under configuration, hosts, we click on the server's web part, and here we would like to create a web scenario. So let's say that this is called Windows IIS monitor. Let's call it landing page monitor. Update interval should be every 5 seconds. And we will use the Zabbix agent, and what we have to do is to specify a step. So let's call this IIS landing page, and we have to specify the URL we just copied. And there are other options that you could configure. You could like test whether you are able to fill out a form or send raw data and whatnot. And we have a required status code, which should be 200. So 200 in web terms means that everything is fine. So now we click on add, and then we also have the tag options. We are not going to use this. We also have the opportunity or possibility to configure authentication, and we don't need that either. So let's go here, and as you can see now, under the hosts we have the one character, and if we go to this part, we can see that it is working. Now, if we go back to monitoring, hosts, click on the server and click on web, as you can see that the status is okay. And if we click on the monitor's name, you will see a nice graph. And this graph is going to give you valuable information. Basically, we can see the step, the speed, the response time, the response code, and the status. And over time, if we click on like the last 5 minutes, you will see that this monitor is now working. So that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.